Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar on Monday urged Congress legislators to maintain party discipline amid reports of several MLAs travelling to New Delhi to lobby for a cabinet reshuffle. D.K. Shivakumar, who is also the president of the Karnataka Pradesh Congress Committee, cautioned party leaders against making statements that could harm the party's image. Speaking to the media in Bengaluru, he said that while meeting the party high command is not wrong, leaders must avoid unnecessary public remarks. He said that everyone's future lies within the party and not in media statements. D.K. Shivakumar appealed to all MLAs to maintain discipline and respect the party, warning that action may be taken if unnecessary statements are made in public. He also indicated that he is awaiting formal inputs before taking any action. Shivakumar further revealed that some MLAs had consulted him before travelling to New Delhi. He added that even first-time MLAs could become ministers, indicating that opportunities remain open within the party. The developments come amid ongoing discussions within the ruling Indian National Congress over a possible cabinet reshuffle in Karnataka. Meanwhile, Home Minister of Karnataka G. Parameshwara also addressed the issue, stating that there is nothing wrong with leaders having aspirations. However, he clarified that the final decision regarding any cabinet reshuffle rests with the party leadership. Parameshwara said that the Chief Minister, the High Command and the State Party President will jointly decide on any cabinet reshuffle. He emphasized that these leaders will hold discussions and take the final call. The developments have gained significance as speculation continues over a possible cabinet reshuffle within the Karnataka government.